back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new here, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to join my little family. Today I created this look right here. I did glossy lids because I came across a picture on Pinterest and I've never done glossy lids before, so I thought it'd be different for my channel. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy this video and continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face. As always, you guys already know the drill. My face isn't doing too well right now. Like I said in my last video, I had some blackhead. I told my mom and then she started picking at them, and now my face is like so irritated from all the picking. My skin is so tight. I don't know what it is about my skin, but nothing comes out. That's why when I have like a pimple or something, I just have to let it pop naturally. And so then my mom's like, okay, let's do like a steam facial thing. So we did that. We boiled some water and I just stuck my head like in the pot, not like all the way in obviously, but yeah, just so the steam can like hit my face. And we tried to take them out again, nothing was coming out. Yeah, this happened. But then I'm also getting my you know what in a couple of days, so it's probably because of that also. I always get one here when I'm gonna get, you know, that. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This one is in the shade Fiji. I'm just gonna pump a little bit of this on the back of my hand. I think this was way too much because I kind of want to go for a light look today. My mirror's over here just in case you guys are like, what is she looking at? So yeah, I'm just placing this on my skin where I have those pimples and everything like that. I'm gonna leave my nose kind of bare, then I'll just put some like on my neck as well. Because yeah, I want today's look to just be really like fresh and natural on the skin. So I'm just gonna take a little mirror and start blending this in. I just want to even out my skin tone. So I've been going to the gym lately. I've been going for like 4 days now in a row. That's like a lot for me because I normally just go like a day and then I stop going. I'm just like, okay, I got my exercise in for the rest of the year. But no, I've been going and it's been going good. I'm like really sore though because I used a different machine than what I normally do, because normally I just do the treadmill and like the machines like for cardio, like the elliptical, the Stairmaster and things like that, but I really want to like start doing other things too. So I'm just gonna run a little bit of that foundation on my nose, just a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and just pat that in. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna be putting very little of this. Like I said, I just want the skin to be kind of fresh. Very little on the nose as well. You can barely see that. And I'm just gonna blend that in. So I finally saw that movie, the one with Noah Centineo, The Perfect Date, and I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of didn't like it, but I want to give it another shot because I said that about Sarah Burgess Is a Loser also. So I was like, I just need to give it another shot. I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be different. What did you guys think of it if you watched it? I love Noah Centineo. I love him so much, so I watched like all the movies he comes out in. I'm not gonna spoil anything, so you guys can give it a shot if you haven't watched it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D. I'm gonna be taking this shade and this shade mixed together. So I'm finally gonna get some new makeup products, so don't worry guys. I'm like saving money so I can go on a shopping spree to Sephora because I just really want to get some new makeup instead of using the same makeup in all my makeup tutorials. I'm pretty sure you guys understand though, because I know the people that watch me aren't like famous beauty gurus either that get a ton of PR or anything. You guys are on the same page as me, I think. Oh my gosh, I just hit pan. I just hit pan on the yellow shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow. Now I'm gonna set that pimple. I'm gonna set all my pimples because I don't want the product to get off of them. I really need to go and get like a professional facial because this skin, I don't know what's going on guys. I've never had this problem before, but I'm getting a bunch of like, I don't know, just a bunch of pimples and things like that. Okay, so like I said, we're just doing very natural skin makeup. So I'm just gonna be going in with some bronzer. This is my Marc Jacobs bronzer in the shade Fantastic, and I'm just gonna bronze up the skin. I'm not gonna be doing too much contouring or anything like that. I'm just gonna be bronzing. And by the way, I didn't set the rest of my face, just where I needed it, like where the pimples were, because I just want this look to be really fresh and natural. I feel like I was gonna tell you guys something else, but I completely forgot. That's like so like me. I always forget things that I'm gonna talk about. Oh, I wanted to do a video doing like a vision board because I thought it'd be cool maybe in the future to look back on, see what goals I had and if any of them came true or anything like that. But I really need to go and get like colored ink because I only have black and white and I don't want it to look boring. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. And then I'll be making that video because I want to like talk about my goals with you guys and then like put it on a board, a vision board, you know? So that's what I've been wanting to do. And also, if you guys have any video suggestions for me, just leave them in the comments down below because I really have trouble with coming up with ideas of what to film. Like I want it to be something you guys actually want to see. So just let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna read them and reply to them. So yeah, please and thank you. Okay, so I need to contour my nose because that's a must. This nose needs some definition, so I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna blend it out with that little blending brush that I use. So I really want to get some new makeup brushes, but I don't know which ones would be good. Do you guys know which ones are good? Because like I said in previous videos, I kind of don't like Morphe. I'm trying to give them another chance because so many people like them, so I'm like maybe I'm just picking the wrong ones. So I recently got another one. It was like a tiny makeup brush. When I went to do a girl's makeup, she had that brush, so I was like, oh my gosh, I really want this brush. So I went and got it because I thought it'd be super cool to smoke out the lower lash line because it's so tiny. I actually did like it. It's not itchy at all. It's kind of soft. I want to get the Zoeva ones, but they're so expensive, like $300 for the set. I really want those. Those are like my dream makeup brushes, but I'm probably gonna really just have to invest to get those because it's a lot. So I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is my Tarte Party. So cheeks, chin, forehead, and nose. Okay, so I want very, very glowy skin. So I'm gonna go in with my Kevyn Aucoin little highlight. This one right here. And I'm taking that on an e.l.f. angled blush brush that looks like this. So I'm going to dip into that and I'm going to place this just on top of my cheeks so my skin can look very glowy. And I'm going to take it up here. I love doing this. I feel like this is just a glow from within kind of highlight. It's not too much. It's not too much and I'm like piling it on. And I'm going to take my pinky and I'm just going to put some on the tip of my nose and down the bridge, and then I'll put some on my cupid's bow and then on the chin. Ooh, and we can also put some like here. Yes. I just want to be like, ooh, yes. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera because I want them to look really natural and fluffy, so I'm gonna try to achieve that. And then I'll be right back so we can do our eyes together. Okay, so I did my brows. I don't know if they look much different, but I just filled them in a little bit and then I brushed all my brow hairs up. I'm gonna go in with my eyes now. For today's look, I wanna do like a glossy lid. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my bronzer and I'm just gonna place this in my crease. And all over my eye just for a little bit of color, nothing too crazy. Now we're gonna do a very smoked out winged eyeliner. So the black I like is from my Sultry palette. It's called Noir. Noir? Is that how you say it? This one right here. So I really want that cat eye effect, so I'm gonna make sure I really lift my eyes. Now I'm just going to smoke it out with this little tiny brush. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back so we can add the gloss. So now I'm going to go in with my gloss. I already did my other eye off camera, so I'm going to go in with this one right here by Sephora. This one is called Balm Diggity. I'm going to place a little bit on a palette that I have. So I picked up a little bit of that gloss and I'm going to start packing this on my lid. Woo! I'm loving this. I'm gonna do faux freckles, so I'm gonna go back in with the Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'm taking this brown shade right here. And I'm gonna make all these little pimples beauty marks. I'm gonna start just putting freckles all over my face. Now I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and just blend those in. Now I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna take this little sponge and I'm gonna clean up my contour. And then I'm gonna put it on the sides of my nose. Okay, so off camera, I'm gonna apply mascara and then put on some falsies. I'm actually gonna put them underneath because the gloss is there, so it's gonna be very hard to stick. So I'm gonna try to put them underneath, and I don't want to take a long time, so I'm gonna do it off camera, and then I'll be right back so we can finish up our lips. Okay, so I already put on my lashes. Now I'm just gonna remove my bake, so I'm just gonna be brushing this off. Now we're gonna do lips, so I just want them very natural as well. So I'm gonna line my lips with this one. It's by NYX. It's a NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. And I'm just gonna fill them in with this. Then I'm going in with some gloss. Last and final step is we're going to be setting all this in place with the Continuous Setting Spray by Morphe. Just going to let that soak in. Okay everybody, well this was the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to join my little family if you're not already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.